Welcome to a demo of how to create a QR code from a link to upload into Affogato for notices on your digital notice board. So to start with, you will log into Affogato on your dashboard and select Create a Notice. From this screen, we can start getting our notice ready, but first of all, we should get a QR code downloaded to our computer or system. So you can use any QR code generator, ChatGPT, or any usually free one online that's accessible. I'm using QRCG just here. But what you do is once you've made your account or simply gone to the web page, is it will ask you which link you want to create a QR code from. So I'm going to use our website here, copy the link over, and then I can create a QR code for that, that anybody scans will take them to the link or website that I want them to visit or go to. So if you have an app or a portal or your website, this might be an FAQ page or even a document that you want somebody to have access to. So once you've, in most cases on these platforms, selected your link, it will ask you just about the design of your QR code. You might want something like this, and you can even change to, have the wording of what you would like it to look like. You can change any logos and shapes and colors, but that looks pretty good to me. I will complete my code on this particular website, and I can download this as a PNG, and this will download it to my computer. So once I've got my QR code ready, I will then start to, as usual, upload a notice to the system. So this might be called, visit our website. That's the internal name for yourself and your schedule, but it might also be the name that you want anybody to see and use when they're looking at the notice you're creating. So you could write, for example, dear residents, please see our latest updates on our website by scanning the QR code. So for example, that would be the message I want to portray, and then I would scroll down to the selection where I can choose an image. I will find the image that I've created or downloaded of the QR code, simply upload it, and you'll see it will fit in here. As you can see, it probably would have been better to change that to white text, which you could do when you create it, or just not have any wording at all. But you'll see that as you upload the image, it will go next to the text that you've created and next to the title. You can mess around and delete the title if you don't need it, or even delete the text if you write it on the QR code. So you can do either or, and you can play around and have it as you will. But it works best with the text next to the QR code. So once you're happy with what it looks like, it would be the same routine scenario of selecting when you want your notice to start and end, and what days of the week or month you want it to show, or just permanently. And then of course selecting which buildings you want this to go to. As this is relevant to our website, I want to share this with the whole portfolio. So I will select everywhere, head to the top, hit confirm, and that will then present on the next cycle of notices. Thank you.